जय
Namaste, Jai Bholenath.
जय भोलेनाथ।
Thank you very much for inviting me here. Today is such one of the most auspicious day of the year and happiest day of the year. Astrologically and spiritually, whenever Hanuman Jayanti falls on any Tuesday or Saturday, it becomes extremely powerful and easily you can tap the cosmic energy from the universe. And tomorrow is Sunday, so no excuse. If you pray more today and whole night, as much as you can take, do prayer, you get manifold benefits. To please Lord Hanumanji, first thing, read Shri Hanuman Chalisa every day. Hanuman Chalisa, the 40 verses of Hanuman Chalisa are so divine. Each and every line is like a mantra. It's not an ordinary prayer we do. If you don't know Hindi, if you know English or in any language, Hanuman Chalisa has something divine in it. You can learn so easily in few days. And it gives you instant strength. If you need a power, it takes your fear from your life. If you need want to make any decision, Bal Buddhi Vidya. For children, for adults, for everybody, just read Shri Hanuman Chalisa at least once a day. If you have some wishes to fulfill or things are not working, read Shri Hanuman Chalisa 11 times a day for 111 times. 111 days, sorry. So it will help you to fulfill your wishes. And if you want some instant help, like some medical report has to come, or you have to negotiate with your boss or anything, or you are in a puzzle, you don't know what decision you must take, read Shri Hanuman Chalisa 101 time, same day, and then go for your work. It takes you less than 4 hours. Light ghee diya in front of Hanumanji and do Hanuman Chalisa. Believe me, if you go, then you talk to somebody, your energy and your vibration become so strong, the other person either listens to you or you will get a favorable outcome. I have did many times. So you must do it. And how you can count? You have a matchstick of 100, keep it here, one Hanuman Chalisa, then put matchstick in a box. Or you can write before you're reading 101 times number and then you can scratch. It's a no doubt for that day no one can win you. You will have so much confidence and faith, your work will done. And basically, actually you need your faith and confidence to come surface so you can work and be happy. The interesting fact about Hanuman Chalisa, maybe few of them know or nobody knows, it was written by the great saint Tulsidas Ji 500 years ago. How Hanuman Chalisa came in existence, that time India was under Mughals rule, the Akbar. He was a very cruel ruler. So Akbar's soldier captured Tulsidas Ji and tied him with a heavy metal chain and presented him in front of Akbar's court. Then Akbar was about to give punishment to the Tulsidas Ji. Suddenly miracle happened. From Tulsidas Ji mouth, some divine mantras are coming. That was Hanuman Chalisa. And outside that fort, thousands of monkeys attacked the Akbar's soldier and they were crying, they were helping for life and anything. Then some intelligent person who was in Akbar's kingdom, he told, please release the Tulsidas Ji, then we will save our life. Otherwise these monkeys will destroy us. So after that, he released Tulsidas Ji and Tulsidas Ji compiled Hanuman Chalisa and book for a mankind so we can have powerful, so we can get blessed. Hanumanji is Pratyaksh Devta. Hanumanji is, if you pray, you will feel the presence of Hanumanji anywhere and everywhere. He is still here and showering his blessings. So Shri Hanuman Chalisa is very, very powerful, but it doesn't need any strict rules and regulation. You can read whenever you want, how you want. But on the other hand, and Hanuman Chalisa doesn't take so much time, on the other hand, Sundar Kand, the 5th chapter of the Ramayana, it is extremely, extremely powerful religious book to make your wishes to come true in a righteous way, to make what your dreams to be in reality. But on the other hand, Sundarkand needs strict rules and regulations. It's like a miraculous book. I can show you, this is Sundarkand. You can see the unusual picture of Lord Hanumanji on this cover page. Hanumanji lives in this temple and it is called Salasar Balaji temple. I am and you are very fortunate on this Hanuman Jayanti, we are seeing this picture. If you visit this temple, you will see the presence of Hanumanji. For last 15 years, I am residing here, so many South Africans have an experience. They went that temple and they keep going. Yesterday only one lady says, and I gave Sundarkand, say, you know this temple? Yeah, I went 3 times. So people are going there, their wishes fulfilling there. So if you get chance, you all are Hanuman's great devotees, so you must go visit this temple. It's 3 hours from Jaipur. Sundarkand, it takes 1.5 hours to read Sundarkand. All other religious books you can read in halfway and this, but if you 99% we all want, we are on a material world, we want material progress, improvement in our life. So when you're reading Sundarkand, you must read in one sitting. Only in emergency you can stand up or pick your phone, otherwise read in one sitting. Light a ghee diya in front of Sita, Ram, Lakshman, Hanuman picture and read it. If you read once or twice in a year, it won't help. You can't change your alternate destiny. Read it 21 times consecutive days in a year. It will help you to take out your negative energy, jealousy, black magic. You know South Africa, everybody talks about it. It will take you negative energy, black magic. It can give you a stable job. If you don't have peace at home, it will bring peace at home. It will give you success in your life. Impossible word will not be in your dictionary. But Sundarkand needs faith and devotion. Few years ago, after my son born Keshav, I am so grateful and I became a medium. By God's grace, God gave me so much blessings so I distributed book that time. When I was distributed, I didn't know. People don't know Hindi, how it will be results in English. Believe me, now I am thinking I must read only in English. Such a miraculous results in South Africa. You can read this book in English also. God understand and listen the language of your devotion. It's in Hindi, it's very difficult. You can read in English, it takes 1.5 hours. At your home, you meet lot of people. Some people comes with a happy mood, some comes with their negative thoughts and anything. So you don't know who leave their energy there. So every year, make 21 consecutive days in a year, read Sundarkand as a family. And this book, every prayer you can read in morning, you get more results and more benefit. They say Sundarkand give more results in night. I used to do in night, and India people do in a night. So after work and anything, make a habit for 21 days consecutive. Read Sundarkand as a family. Your family will have a unity. You will have peace at home. Once you have a peace at home, you will have good judgment power. Your health will be good. You will prosper. And most important, your decision power will be so good. And due to the planetary effect, if you have some negative thing in your life, you will overcome so easily. Nothing will go wrong. So make a habit for 21 days. When you be reading for 21 days, start from any Tuesday or full moon. Must sit, you can sit in a floor is better, but if your knee has problem, anything, you sit in a chair, read it. Once you finish 21 days, and you are reading, 99% you're reading not for spiritual benefits. You have some thoughts in your mind or some problem. So that will, when you're reading, it will automatically comes, and after 21 days, ask Lord Hanumanji, by your help, by my God's grace, by your help, I did Sundarkand. If any mistake unknowingly happened by reading Sundarkand, please forgive me. And by reading, if my Sundarkand is not completed, please complete it in between. And this work, please help me with this work, or give me some solution, or give me some hint to overcome this. It is going to happen. And light a ghee diya, and if you offer prasad, it's fine. After that you can read. After that you can read once a week or once in 2 weeks and once in a month, it's very good. You can read any time when you are in confused state of mind. It will crushes your negative energy, it will give you happiness, it will give you instant strength and take out your fear. With Sundarkand, it's like a Sundar is a beautiful, it's the 5th chapter of Ramayana. By Lord Ram himself, by Lord Hanumanji. If you read it, the divine power of Hanumanji has to be written. And if you read Ramayana somewhere, if you read in a very proper way, in a clean way, and like nicely, Hanumanji shows his presence. And it's a Kali Yuga. Hanumanji get pleased so easily, just read Sundarkand and we really, by God's grace, each and every temple and everybody, most of them, we are doing Sundarkand and must be you are doing. 4-5 years ago, I was fortunate, people called me here and distributed Sundarkand here. I'm telling you, I'm sure you're not putting in your shelf, it doesn't have dust over it, you're reading it, because keep it with utmost respect and keep it, read it anything. If anybody wants Sundarkand, I have a complimentary copies. If you didn't have before, if your devotees are in, please ask for Sundarkand and raise your hand, I can distribute now.